Hello sparkle lovers and welcome to a very special video because this time we are going to take a first look on our very first and very new mini collection. 6 mini kits on a box like this with all the drills and 100% hand-charted, our own artwork, so it is licensed, you can say. And I'm very excited because I really love them. As I said, they are 100% hand-charted, pixel by pixel. And if you like chibis, that's a kit for you. And this is a kit for you for one more reason, because it's mini chibi witches. Yes, we are going slowly to the mood of the Halloween. So we prepared the first collection to be witches, cute witches. So let's have a look. You will get this pretty pink box. You can also use it as a project bag while you're working on it, if you're not going to do them in one sitting, because it will fit everything inside. And let's go through the details. I have to say this is take 2 of the same video because I didn't like the first, so I'm redoing it. So I have already opened that. We will not go through the drills one by one because they are a lot, there are many, but we will see the canvases one by one. So here we have the basic toolkit that you can opt out if you don't want it. We have the inventory sheet, a paper legend. It's not exactly inventory sheet, a legend in paper, and of course our pre-cut stickers. This kit has the coupon amount of 103 colors. A lot, but as I said, it is hand-charted and each image doesn't have more than 20. I think also I didn't count them, to be honest, but it should be something like that. In these 103 colors we have 12 specials, 7 AB and 5 fairy dust drills. So yeah. Are you ready to see them? Okay, let's see the colors first. Well, from the first glance you can really understand that this will be the the background color. These are the specials down here, and we have all 3 bags with baggies, so you can work straight from them. You don't need to kit it up. And these are all the colors. They are beautiful. Okay, so the bags, I have to say that the bags are numbered. They have the serial number and the DMC number, so it's very easy to find them in your legend. And if you want, you can also stick the sticker on the bag to have the symbol too, because they don't have the symbol, and they also have the SKU number. Are you ready to see them one by one? I think it was a little mixed, so let me find number. I need my glasses. Let me find number 1 first so we can see them. Okay, number 1, our first little witch. There she is. We have confetti, we have a white background. I know many of you hate that, but It's resin drills, resin square drills, if I didn't mention before, and not to brag, but we have good drills and very good grid that they snuggle together perfectly, so you will not have issues with gapping. So this is the witch number 1. Then witch number 2. This is the witch number 2. This is the witch number 3. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. This is the witch number 4. Okay, if you help me name them, it will be fun. Let me know in the comments if you can think names for these 6 witches. This is witch number 5. It's one of my favorites, this one. Witch number 5, yay! And last but not least, this little pretty witch with the cauldron and the special potion that's brewing. There was some trash from the box there. You might be worried because the canvases are folded like this, but if you have already tried one of our kits, you will know already that our canvas is very sturdy, very thick, very heavy, very good quality, and it lays flat instantly. If you pull the plastic back and lay them down a bit, they will be perfect. Or you can just do this, just a little in the creases, and they will be perfect, ready to work on. It's poured glue, so you don't have to worry if you want to roll them back, roll them sideways, roll them any way you like. With also, of course, the scalloped and poked edges to avoid the fraying, the very soft, silky canvas we have to offer. So, yep, happy Halloween everyone! This is our next kit. This is our special first kit of the Mini Chibi collection. I hope you like it. And we have 3 more kits to ship and have to film the videos. It will be soonish. I have to do it before Sunday because Sunday we are up, guys, and with the new release, as we do with every release, we have a very special offer, so make sure to visit the website so you will not miss it. And if you like the video and if you like my kits and my works, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you will get notifications every time I am uploading a new video. Until next time, don't forget to shine. Bye!